Imagine waking up every day, turning on your computer and instantly entering a wrestling match with your own hardware. We buy these sleek, expensive machines with the promise of peak performance and seamless productivity, only to find ourselves trapped in a digital circus where the ringmaster is a malfunctioning audio slider and the clowns are phantom cache files eating up our hard drives. For some reason, the brilliant minds behind modern operating systems decided that adjusting your monitor's brightness should require an intricate knowledge of nested settings menus, or worse, manually pressing microscopic plastic buttons on the underside of your monitor like you are performing CPR on a plastic brick. It is an absurd reality where we have the computing power to simulate the universe, but changing the volume without throwing off the balance of your left headphone requires a minor miracle. Fortunately, there is a subculture of software designed specifically to fix these daily annoyances, saving us from the brink of tech induced madness. Welcome to Nullplayer Paradox. I am Castigator, and let us start with the sheer agony of monitor brightness. If you are anyone who transitions from intense competitive gaming where you need to see every shadow to casually browsing the web at 3 in the morning, you know the struggle. Standard operating systems make you dive through 3 layers of display settings just to lower the brightness so your eyes stop bleeding, or even worse, you have to fumble around the physical bezel of your monitor, pressing a clunky arrow key 6 dozen times just to drop the backlight by 10%. Enter Twinkle Tray, a deceptively simple piece of software that manages to fix these fundamental human misery at the hardware level. Instead of playing Twister with your monitor's physical buttons, this app lets you map brightness controls directly to a button on your keyboard. With a single press, you can blast the brightness to maximum when you need to spot an enemy hiding in a dark corner of a map, and with another press, dim it down to a soothing, eye-saving level when you inevitably give up and decide to read forum threads instead. It interacts directly with monitor's internal communications, effectively giving you a physical dial for your display without making you leave your seat or smash your fingers against cheap plastic. Once you solve the blinding light issue, you run face first into the ultimate chore of the digital age, which is keeping your applications updated. Every piece of software you install apparently believes it is the center of your universe, resulting in a barrage of daily pop-ups demanding you download the latest security patch or minor feature update. It is a never-ending game of whack-a-mole that wastes hours of your life. Patch My PC steps into this chaotic mess like a tired parent cleaning up a messy playroom. Instead of clicking through 5 different update wizards, this tool scans your system and updates all of your applications simultaneously at the click of a single button. It completely eliminates the guesswork and the time spent manually checking if your favorite media player or browser is running the latest version. It is the closest thing to absolute automation we have in the realm of software maintenance, shielding you from the endless annoyance of update notifications and letting you get back to actually using your computer. But even a fully updated machine is completely useless if the audio decides to rebel against you. There is a specific brand of psychological torture reserved for people whose audio balance randomly shifts to one side for absolutely no discernible reason. You could spend 3 days reinstalling audio drivers, deleting device managers, and screaming into the void only for the operating system to stubbornly insist that your left ear deserves 80% of the sound while your right ear gets 20%. When driver reinstalls fail and you are ready to throw your headphones out the window, Volume Square acts as the ultimate stabilizer. Not only does it forcefully correct those bizarre random audio balance issues that plague Windows users, but it opens up a ridiculous world of customization that makes standard volume controls look like a relic from the 90s. You can configure it to change the volume just by scrolling your mouse wheel over the taskbar, or customize visual on-screen displays that actually match your desktop aesthetic. It turns a broken, frustrating system component into a highly responsive, customized audio hub that actually obeys your commands. Speaking of things that stubbornly refuse to work properly, let us talk about the mysterious vanishing of hard drive space. You can buy a massive solid state drive, swear up and down that will only install 3 games on it, and within a month you are greeted by a red progress bar warning you that you have less than 2 gigabytes left. You check your download folder, you delete your recycle bin, and yet the missing space remains a total mystery. The culprit is usually an invisible mountain of cache files, temporary logs, and leftover debris from apps you deleted 6 months ago. Microsoft PC Manager is essentially the official cleanup crew that should have been built into the operating system from day one. It lets you safely purge all of those useless system files that bury themselves deep within your directories, instantly clawing back precious gigabytes of storage space. As a massive bonus for anyone who uses their PC for heavy tasks, it also features a single button RAM booster. If you are about to launch a demanding game, you can hit that button to forcefully clear out background clutter, giving your hardware a clean slate and ensuring your frame rates do not tank because a random background service decided to eat half your memory. For the true control freaks who want their computer to do things the default software developers never intended, you eventually have to step into the realm of scripting. Standard video recording software is fine if you just want to capture a basic clip, but the moment you want to do something specific, like triggering a recording based on a highly customized set of inputs or automating a tedious capture sequence, traditional tools completely fall apart. This is where AutoHotKey becomes your secret weapon. It is not just an app, it is a lightweight scripting language that lets you rewrite the rules of how your keyboard and mouse interact with your software. If you want a specific key combination to instantly trigger a gameplay recording, followed by automatic breaks and recording sequences exactly the way you want it, bypassing the limitations of standard recorders, you write a quick script and make it happen. It bridges the gap between what your software allows you to do and what you actually want to achieve, giving you absolute authority over your recording setup. Finally, if you want a massive Swiss Army knife that bundles a dizzying amount of power user features into a single package, you look toward Microsoft PowerToys. While some people might not use every single tool inside it, anyone who looks at the feature list realizes it is a literal productivity powerhouse. It contains utilities that can replicate the functionality of several standalone apps while adding features you did not even know you needed, like locking windows on top, remapping keys system-wide, or instantly resizing images with a right click. It is the ultimate playground for anyone who wants to squeeze every ounce of efficiency out of their setup. Ultimately, building the perfect PC experience is not just about buying the fastest processor or the flashiest graphics card, it is about installing the right tools to fix the inherent flaws of modern operating systems, turning a chaotic digital workspace into a finely tuned, highly automated machine that works exactly the way you want it to. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you next time. Keep watching, keep playing. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like the video, comment or subscribe for more. It really helps the channel out and I truly appreciate it a lot. Take care, keep watching and keep gaming.